Crap, I broke one of my lights. That's a rip. At least this works.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm doing another one of these videos in my favorite setup, which is my room right here. So today I'm going to show you guys how I go from this to my very pretty blow dried hair, which I'm not sure if you guys have seen it yet, but I got layers earlier in May and it's kind of like curtain bangs but long, and basically they dry out really pretty if I blow dry them, but I do have to cut them soon because I prefer it when the curtain bangs are like right here. And as you can see, my hair grows like psycho crazy, and it's literally only been like 2 months and it's already like 5 fingers longer than it was. So let's get started. My hair is kind of wet right now because I just washed it, so we're not blow dried or anything yet. And I use these shampoos. These are my ride or die. They are amazing. Even when I let my hair air dry, it looks shiny, and that's what I like a lot about it. It's like Moroccan oil, and then extra volume conditioner, and the moisture repair shampoo. I have the mini right now because they're a little bit expensive, but they're good. So I use them sparingly, but every single time, and they last me a while. So now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to first go in with my split End Mender repair, because I do all this before I blow dry my hair because I don't want it to break and get ugly. So this is the Split End Mender by Monat, which their hair shampoo and conditioners are also amazing. I also used those for a while. I just switched into the Moroccan oil recently. So this just goes in the very end to make sure that you don't get like split ends in places. And the actual secret ingredient to everything, and my hairstylist actually uses this on my hair, and it makes it look like I'm like insanely shiny everywhere. This Salem 2.0 leave-in conditioner, silk protein thingy-bobber, literally not much at all, but I put it all over, like, without being scared. And once I do that, I know I look a little cuckoo crazy right now, we go into my blow drying kind of like heat protectant spray or cream. So I have these two. I use them interchangeably. I don't really care which one to use today. I don't know. I use this one, which is by Dry Bar, I believe, and then this one is by Kenra Platinum, and it's the blow dry spray, which is also really good. I'm gonna use this today because this one, what it does is it makes sure that you're protected. It reduces the blow drying time, and it also resists humidity for up to 20 hours. And I live in Texas, so, you know, gotta go with the one that is against humidity because we gotta go with it. I brush it all through my hair, and then I add kind of a mousse if I really want to make my hair like look like this mousse it's actually my mom's. I don't know, I just steal it from her and it kind of works. So it's by Sebastian Mousse Forte. It's stronghold mousse. It's like this, looks like that. I put like a little bit, not like a lot, because I don't want to put like way too much stuff in my hair. Literally like such a little bit, right? And I do this, and then I'm like here, because up here is where it gives you like the volume, right? So that's where once that is all through, I go in with my, amazing wet brush because I love it. This one is like, it's a mixture between normal like hair thingy and then the one that makes it supposedly shine. Obviously when it's dry, but right now I just go through it and it detangles my hair. Once you have put all that stuff on your hair, I split it into the top layers and then the bottom. Top really short layers and then bottom long layers. Grab it like this, and then I have these, which I literally got like TJ Maxx or whatever, and I put it up there. My favorite thing that I'm ever going to talk about, literally ever, is this tool right here. So what it does is, it's amazing, it's by Revlon. Then you have a cool version, then you have the low, and then you have a high. So you have hot, low, hot, high, and then cool. And I use the hot, high for the bottom, like so, and you guys can just see what I'm doing, okay? Literally, it's amazing because this is the brush, and it blow dries, like it has the air within it. When I really want my hair to just kind of stay, like make sure it doesn't go crazy, I use this hairstyling spray, which is by Sebastian Shaper, and it's dry brushable styling hairspray with control. I use it, and then it makes sure that my blow dry really holds, okay? So I'll grab like a piece just like this, see? And then I go from the back to the front, so then when I have something dry, I just throw it to the back, and you'll see what I mean in a moment. Going high. Very much like curl it and then I do this circle thing. And then once it's still hot, I literally I do this. So I bring it all the way up. I know it looks a little funny, but I bring it up and then I'm like, and then I let it down. See how that looks so much more dramatic than it did when I first had it? Throw it back, see, just like that. And then I move on to the next strand. Rush so that we don't make it cold while we're at it, see? And then we hold it there. See how it's like a little curl? Imagine like those thingies that they put on the hair. It's kind of like doing that, but I do it just near the bottom, okay? And then I let it go, and it looks almost like a curl at the bottom, see? And then we just, and we bring it to the back. We rush with it a little bit. And then hold. And then spray. And then look down. And there we go, see? And then we move on to the other side. That finishes the very bottom layer for blow drying. And you see how pretty, just sleek, and it goes in just like that, see? So that's what you want to do. Now we're gonna take down these 2 layers, okay? But look at how I do it. So I don't let it fall, I grab them, and then I let down one of the sides after I put my hair back all the way over there, and I make sure that it lands in the front, see? It's like that. So the only thing that's in the front is the wet hair, okay? So then we're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing, right? So we're gonna work through our hair the same exact way. I brushed through it a little bit because obviously it was just up there, so we don't want it to be all tangled when we're blow drying it. So I go again all the way from the back to the front. And I go on the high level while I'm still in thick strands in the back, and then once I reach the front, I'm gonna go in low. And notice how there's 2 layers, right? One longer than the other. That's our issue when we're doing the top layer. And then, this part's a little difficult because we have the whole issue of having 2 layers, right? But we still bring it up together, and then we kind of spray it like that, okay? And then I let it fall. We're gonna just throw it back behind me, okay? When I'm done with the little strand. And then we go into the next one. Curl it up just like we did in the layers below. Let me let it go. See? Little curl thing, just how we want it to be. All right, and throw it to the back. All the way up, right? You let it down. Ta-da. I'm going on the low setting now. I go behind it, and then I do this. A little bit. Let it down. And we do the same on the other side. This is it. Look how pretty it looks. I mean, you can see the layers on the side, hopefully, right here, and the bottom layers. And it looks really pretty and shiny. And I really like blow drying my hair because of my layers. This is how I take care of my hair. It's quite long. I hope some of you guys will try this out because that's how I blow dry my hair, and I live by it. And all the products that I showed you guys are literally amazing, and they keep my hair healthy and shiny and looking good. Give me a like if you liked the video, and follow me on Instagram if you will. Keep growing, and keep doing you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.